Hello, this is a video to show you how to disassemble the V-tech Bouncing Giraffe. Part 1. The first things you can take off are these. They slide off quite easily. All you have to do is watch these clips here and on the back as well. Stick something in. I use £2 coins, but anything can do, flathead screwdrivers. Stick them in and these will slide off quite easily. Next, the head. The head is attached to the neck by 2 small clips, which you can release by finding this tiny hole on one side, pushing a wire in that's small enough and strong enough, and that will release the head. You can just slide it off. Still the easy bit, the seat. There's a small clip on one side, pull it back and you can just slide the screw out and take the seat off. Now comes the hard part. The other side of the neck is attached to the body like this. The same mechanism. See the tiny holes on both sides? But the problem is that the neck goes into the body, and you also have this long screw from the inside, so which goes in the body from here like this. So you'll have to remove this. Then if you are lucky enough, you can use 2 wires on both sides, push them in and you can release the neck and pull it out. Probably you'll need 2 persons to do the job. Now comes the tricky bit. To remove the pedals, you'll have to get your screwdriver, remove all these bloody screws from all over. There's about 20 of them. Then also, if you couldn't remove the neck from here, you'll have to remove all these screws and try it like that, because then you can push this releasing wedge, the clip, from the inside, and and also take this long screw out if you couldn't move it. So to find the pedal, find a way to release the pedal and to remove it, you'll have to, because when you do it, the pedals will hold the body together, so you'll have to do it through this gap, but I'll show you the way that you have to find. So inside there's a tube, the axis for the pedals, so like that, and when you look you will find a small clip like this, a cover attached to the tube, to the pedal tube, the axis, by 2 screws like that. I'll show you the other one, because sorry, there you go, sorry for my camera. You see, you'll have to remove these 2 screws actually from this one. You see this removed, this little clip from here, but just watch it, because underneath there's a small screw that will shoot at you that holds the pedals in place. So once you get this little bit out, you can just practically slide the pedal out and repeat it for the other side. It's quite tricky, see, even when it's in 2, because you'll need a screwdriver long enough or short enough to get in and remove it, and remove the other pedal, and basically that's it. folks. Thank you for watching, and good luck. So if you see, it's no witchcraft. Cheers, bye.